Jobs.
Jobs are an important part of life. A job is the work that people do to earn money. There are many types of jobs, and every job has its own role in society. People work to support themselves and their families and to contribute to their communities. In this essay, we will explore the different types of jobs, why jobs are important, and how to find the right job for yourself. There are many different types of jobs in the world. Some people work in offices, while others work outside. Some jobs require physical strength, while others require mental skills. Jobs can be full-time, part-time, or even temporary. Each type of job has its own demands and rewards. One common type of job is working in an office. Office jobs include positions like secretary, accountant, or manager. In these jobs, people often work with computers, paperwork, and communicate with others. Office workers usually have regular hours, working from morning until evening. These jobs often require skills like typing, using software, and managing tasks. Another type of job is working in healthcare. Doctors, nurses, and medical assistants are examples of people who work in healthcare. These jobs are very important because they help people stay healthy and treat them when they're sick. Healthcare workers often work long hours, including nights and weekends. These jobs can be stressful, but are very rewarding because they involve helping others. Some people work in education. Teachers and school staff are responsible for educating children and young people. They work in schools, colleges, and universities. Teachers help students learn new things and prepare them for the future. Education jobs require patience, creativity, and a passion for teaching. These jobs play a vital role in shaping society by guiding the next generation. There are also many jobs in construction and manual labor. These jobs include carpenters, electricians, and builders. People in these jobs use their hands to build and repair things. They often work outside, sometimes in tough weather conditions. These jobs require physical strength and skill. Construction workers help build homes, roads, and buildings, making them essential for the growth of cities and towns. Jobs in the service industry are also common. This includes people who work in restaurants, hotels, and shops. Waiters, chefs, and sales assistants are examples of service jobs. People in these jobs help others by providing food, drinks, or services. These jobs often require good communication skills and the ability to work with customers. Service jobs are important for making sure that people have what they need in their daily lives. Technology has also created new jobs. Programmers, software developers, and IT specialists are needed in many industries. These jobs involve working with computers, coding, and solving technical problems. As the world becomes more digital, the demand for technology jobs is increasing. These jobs often require special training and education in computers and technology. Each job plays an important role in society. Every worker contributes to the functioning of the economy. Without workers in healthcare, people would not receive the medical care they need. Without teachers, students would not learn the skills they need for the future. Without builders, we would not have homes, offices, or roads. Every job is important, no matter how big or small it seems. Jobs are also important for personal reasons. Having a job gives people a sense of purpose. It provides financial security, which allows people to take care of themselves and their families. Earning money through a job helps people afford food, shelter, clothing, and other necessities. A good job can also provide benefits such as health insurance and retirement savings. In addition to financial security, jobs offer social benefits. Many people make friends at work, and having a job can help people feel connected to others. Workplaces often provide opportunities to meet new people, learn new skills, and grow as individuals. The social interaction that comes with a job can help people feel more fulfilled and less lonely. Finding the right job is important for personal happiness and success. When choosing a job, people should consider their interests, skills, and values. It is important to find a job that matches what you are good at and what you enjoy doing. For example, if you enjoy helping others, a job in healthcare or education might be a good fit. If you are creative, a job in art, design, or writing could be a great choice. Education and training are often necessary to get the job you want. Some jobs require a college degree, while others may need specific skills or certifications. For example, doctors need many years of medical school, while plumbers need special training in their trade. It is important to research what qualifications are needed for the job you want. Investing in education can lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Once you have the necessary education or training, the next step is to search for a job. This can be done through job websites, recruitment agencies, or by contacting companies directly. Writing a strong resume and preparing for interviews are essential parts of the job search process. A good resume highlights your skills, experience, and achievements, while interviews give you a chance to show why you are the right person for the job. When starting a new job, it is important to work hard and be reliable. Building a good reputation in the workplace can lead to promotions and better opportunities. Being a team player, showing initiative, and continuing to learn are all qualities that employers value. Over time, these qualities can lead to career advancement and personal growth. However, not all jobs are easy. Some jobs are physically demanding, while others can be stressful. It is important to find a balance between work and personal life. Taking time to rest and relax is essential for staying healthy and happy. A job should not take up all your time or energy. Having hobbies and spending time with family and friends can help create a healthy balance. In conclusion, jobs are an essential part of life. They provide financial security, personal satisfaction, and a sense of purpose. There are many different types of jobs, each with its own challenges and rewards. Finding the right job requires careful thought about personal interests, skills, and education. Once you find the right job, working hard and maintaining a work-life balance is key to long-term happiness and success. Jobs not only help individuals grow, but also play a critical role in keeping society functioning. Every job, big or small, matters. Whether you are a doctor saving lives, a teacher shaping young minds, or a builder constructing homes, your work contributes to the world around you. By finding a job that you enjoy and take pride in, you can build a fulfilling and meaningful life.